Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. If you're experiencing issues installing or updating Adobe apps, sometimes the problem comes from leftover files or corrupted installations. In cases like this, Adobe provides a special utility called the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool removes problematic files from previous installations so you can reinstall the software cleanly. First, open your browser and go to the official support page for Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool is designed specifically to fix installation problems related to Adobe applications. Download the version of the tool that matches your operating system, such as Windows or macOS. Once the file finishes downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder. Before running the Cleaner tool, make sure all Adobe programs are completely closed. This includes apps such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Closing these programs prevents conflicts during the cleanup process. Once launched, a command line style interface will appear. This interface will guide you through the cleaning process. The tool will first ask you to select a language. You'll see a list of available languages in the command window. Type the letter corresponding to your preferred language, which is E in this case, and press Enter. This will continue the setup process in the language you selected. Next, the tool will display Adobe's license agreement. To continue using the Cleaner tool, you'll need to accept the agreement. Type Y and press Enter to confirm that you agree. This allows the program to proceed with the cleanup process. Now the tool will display several cleanup options. You can choose to remove specific Adobe apps, Creative Cloud desktop components, or all Adobe-related files. Select the option that best matches what you want to clean from your system. After selecting the items to remove, the tool will ask you to confirm the cleanup process. Carefully review the option you selected. If everything looks correct, confirm the action. The Cleaner tool will now begin removing the selected Adobe files from your computer. After the Cleaner tool finishes, it's recommended to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all removed files and system changes are fully applied. Once your computer starts again, your system will be ready for a fresh installation. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.